Welcome back to another What's Up Wednesday here at Edgerton Hospital and Health Services. Once again, we're in the garden because we have some special events to talk about with garden manager Mark Dwyer. That's the only place I could find you was the garden, Mark.
Well, glad you finally came out and knew where it was.
So you have an important event come up here in August. This is something you wanted to do. We did this last year. It was very successful and back at it again.
So this will be our second annual Horticultural Therapy Symposium, and it's scheduled for Wednesday, August 7th from 8:30 till 3:30. And we're expecting a great turnout. We have a wide range of presentations, topics, and ultimately it'll be a great day.
So in the process of putting this program together, you really thought about that, right? Like how you could benefit other people who might be looking to utilize healing gardens, but then also benefit home gardeners too.
Absolutely. So we learned from input last year. The event was very successful in 2023, but the input, there was more interest in gardening with kids, gardening as we age, therapeutic gardening, and it can be extrapolated, not just healing gardens. This healing garden's 3 acres, but a lot of what folks learn can be extrapolated in their day-to-day gardens or professions. So there's take-homes for everyone, and again, they can customize their day. And it was very well received last year, and we expect similar response this year.
And where do people sign up if they're interested in getting one of those spots that are available?
Yeah, the best thing is to get on the Edgerton Hospital website and go under community events, and there's a calendar. And under August, there's a link for registration, which is $120 for the day. And that includes all the food, materials, etc. And ultimately, it's one of those things that we hope people will register early because we are, again, limited to 40 participants.
What are some of the highlights or featured aspects of this year's event?
We start out the day with Dr. Jean Larson, who she's at the University of Minnesota Landscape Arboretum, and a registered horticultural therapist. She manages a whole bunch of programs there. So she'll start the day out. And then we have a whole bunch of folks from University of Illinois Extension. We have therapists from Rosecrans down in Rockford. We have some home gardeners that have been gardening with kids. And we also have some folks representing the Rock County jail, or the Rock County Garden, and talking about working with inmates. So it's a wide spectrum. The itinerary, speaker biographies, and topics are all on the same link for registration, so people can examine the day before registering.
We'd love to see you here for the Horticultural Therapy Symposium on the 7th. Also, we'd love to have you visit anytime here in the Healing Garden. Keep tuning in to What's Up Wednesdays here at Edgerton Hospital. Visit us and learn more at edgertonhospital.com.